Good morning, Gold Eagle team. Quicksand, this is the captain speaking. Hopefully you got to sleep in just a little bit. I know the flight deck crew is up here. They've been working already for the last couple of hours, getting ready for flight operations, and that's what we're gonna do. We gotta have a clean ship. We're gonna have a lot of visitors come on board, so you wanna put your best foot forward and show them what Carl Vincent's all about. We're getting ready to launch recovery airplanes. Let's be safe, keep your heads on swivel. Captain out. I have all the talent on board, and it's my job to put that talent in the best position to execute the mission that we're assigned.
730 first, taking is 1.2, cleared now, 1 port beam heading 042. 701, slight left, course correct.
So we roughly have, with the air wing, almost 5,000 people on board. Small city. These young men and women are the best America has to offer. They're in the 99.99 percentile of all Americans who can and will serve their country. We normally fly about 12 to 14 hours a day. When we're flying, it takes 2 hours to prepare the aircraft carrier for flight operations, and after we've flown for 12 hours, it takes at least 2 hours to prepare the aircraft carrier for maintenance. Then, if anything needs to be done, you have to fix it. So those sailors out on the flight deck could work up to about 22 hours a day. The view is outstanding. I have no problems waking up and coming to work every day here. The best view is when you walk around the ship and you talk to the sailors and you see how well they're doing. That's a great view to see.